Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create custom 404 pages with Visual Composer Premium. First, open your WordPress admin dashboard and navigate to Visual Composer on the left side menu. Then click on Settings. Here, you'll see the Theme Templates tab. To set a custom 404 page, simply select a page from the dropdown, and that will be the page that the visitors see when there's a 404 error. You'll see all your pages in the dropdown. I've got one created here already, so let's choose that. Now, when I open my website with a URL that doesn't exist, this is the page that's going to be visible. Remember that you can use all the features of Visual Composer to create a completely custom and unique 404 page. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and enjoy!